Hi, this is Drew with Knack Training, bringing you another Everyday Office video. Today we're going to be talking about Copilot in Word. First, we'll look at the Generate function. Open a new blank Word document. Here you'll notice next to my cursor there is a Copilot button. Click the button and you'll notice that a text box appears. Type in what you'd like Copilot to generate. Here I'm having Copilot write a job offer for a potential new employee. Wait for the text to generate. Once your text has finished generating, you'll notice a new text box appears at the bottom of the screen. I decided to have Copilot make edits to the text it generated. I wanted the generated text to be more formal, change the title for the job being offered, include the frequency of pay, and note that the job offer includes health and vision insurance. Now that the job offer letter has been regenerated, I click Keep It, and then you can make any changes to the text as normal. Now we're going to try using Copilot to generate a different type of document. I'm going to have it write a 500-word article that can be posted on our corporate blog. I selected the topic of creating work-life balance while also being a high performer. You'll want to wait until Copilot finishes generating all of the text, and then that same dialog box will pop up at the bottom of your screen where you can decide to edit or keep the text. Now we're going to look at using a reference file in order to create a new document. In a blank Word document, select the Copilot icon to the left of your cursor, type the / key, and locate your reference document. After selecting a PowerPoint or Word document as your reference file, you can type in a prompt as normal. Here, I had Copilot summarize a presentation. Now you have a quick and easy way to summarize or generate new Word documents.